Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 16. Which of the following pairs of elements has the greatest difference in electronegativity? A. Sodium and fluorine. B. Sodium and chlorine. C. Sodium and bromine. D. Sodium and iodine. So we're looking at electronegativity and difference in electronegativity. Now, electronegativity refers to the power of an atom in a molecule to attract electrons. Now, based on the trend, it increases across the period and decreases down the group. So group 1, so take for example, let's say group 1, you have group 1 elements in the group. As you progress down the group, the electronegativity will decrease, and as you go across period 1, the electronegativity will increase. So let's look at each of the values of the elements given to us as the options. Now, sodium has an estimated electronegativity value of 0.9, fluorine has of about 4.0, chlorine of 3.0, bromine of 2.8, and iodine of 2.5. So all we need to do is subtract one from the other, that is, subtract sodium in each of the options from the other elements in order to find the difference in electronegativity, and we'll see the one which has the greatest difference in electronegativity. So for option A, you have sodium and fluorine, that is fluorine 4.0 minus sodium 0.9 equal to 3.1. Option B, sodium and chlorine. Chlorine is 3.0, sodium 0.9 equal to 2.1. Option C, sodium and bromine. Sodium bromine 2.8 minus sodium 0.9 equal to 1.9. And lastly, option D, sodium and iodine. Iodine 2.5 minus sodium 0.9 give you a value of 1.6. So from this, you can see that option A, sodium and fluorine, gave us the greatest difference, which is 3.1. So this is the greatest difference in electronegativity. The greatest difference in electronegativity is between sodium and fluorine. Now, that is option A. So option A, sodium and fluorine, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.